Hello. Thank you.
SAIF Chopard's 25th anniversary.
Yes.
Any thoughts?
Well, no, I mean, it's a beautiful brand. I'm happy to be here. It looks like a very nice evening. I met the Chopard family, especially Caroline Chopard, in Gstaad, where we go for New Year's every year. And they're lovely people. So I'm very happy to be here.
Are you like an accessory person? How often do you like to wear watches?
I love watches. I love watches. I have a few, and yes, yeah, it's a beautiful accessory. Men can't have too many accessories. I think dark glasses and watches is something I'm fond of.
Okay, sir. This year belongs to new. Many people have done a debut. Their movie one more. The Alia Panchal is going to debut with you. So what do you like to say about the Pooja Veri daughter is doing debut with you?
It's a little early to talk about that. We'll talk about our movies some other time. Thank you, but I'm excited, of course.
Okay, so anything you'd like to update about the Sacred Game too, because many people want you to.
Again, I mean, do we need to talk about Sacred Games? I think this is not the place to talk about films and all these things. We stick with the brand or something. Yeah, is that okay? We'll do press conferences on films later. Today,
Anything, anything like any particular type of watches do you like? And
well, I like all kinds of watches. I like sporty watches. I like, beautiful watches, dress watches, leather straps, tough watches. I think Chopard's an amazing brand because, it's across. Sometimes it's got a vibe of jewelry to it, but also it's got a strong racing kind of influence, for the guys. So if you have a strap made of rubber like a tire, and the Milli Miglia race is an association of theirs also. So it's a very cool brand.
SAIF, when it comes to fashion, you have your own unique style. You get a lot of mentions from sellers also that they like your style, and you have your own unique style which you have been maintaining for so long. Do you take any conscious effort, to style yourself, or it is that it's like it comes naturally to you?
I don't know. I think it's a mixture of various things. I think over time, watching some other people, traveling, being exposed to the world, different things, you pick up things from all kinds of places and people. But thank you for saying I have a nice style. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thanks, guys.